I'm about to embark on an 8-day vacation, so I will not be here to mow this Bermuda yard every 3 days with the real mower like I've typically been doing. So I'm going to throw down some plant growth regulator and hope to calm down the vertical growth of just this front yard. I'm going to leave the backyard as it is, and I'm going to compare the difference. Will it slow the growth down? I'm expecting 40 to 50% chance of rain every day next week. So let's see if this product will work. We're going to throw it down, see if it'll suppress the growth. Let's go to the garage and see what product we're throwing down. Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. Today we're going to throw down some plant growth regulator. So let's look and see what we're going to throw down today. Slow Mow Lawn Conditioner by BioAdvanced. Just pull this out of the garage. Let's pull this over here so we can see the product a little better. It says reduce mowing by up to half, which is good because I'm going to be gone for 8 full days. Take a vacation from mowing your lawn. Hey, you betcha. Okay, one bag is 10.4 pounds. It covers 2,600 square feet at medium rate. Let's look at the active ingredients. A lot of people use T-Nex for their lawn. I believe this is the same trinexapac-ethyl. The active is only 0.15%. And then of course other ingredients they don't list 99.85%. So we'll see how this works. I believe that active ingredient is somewhat lower than your typical T-Nex product. So let's flip this over. Okay, I have a warm season turf. I've got Bermuda grass. It doesn't mention hybrid Bermuda, but it does list common Bermuda here. Application rate 5.2 pounds per 1,000 square feet. I've got about 4,200 square feet. And if I put 2 bags of this down, it'll cover 5,200 square feet. So about 1,000 square feet more. So I may make sure I get even coverage, and then I may swing over and do the ditch a little bit for that extra 1,000 square feet. Let's look at the directions here. Where is the directions on how to apply? Here we go. It's up here at the top. For best results, multiple applications should be made throughout the growing seasons, not to exceed a total of 38.25 pounds per 1,000 square feet. And this is actually my first application. I've never used any plant growth regulator. So, okay, here it is. How to apply. Apply product evenly using a properly calibrated granular fertilizer spreader, which will uniformly distribute the product over the target area. Avoid skips as uneven growth of temporary grass discoloration may occur. Well, it makes sense. And I do expect it to maybe take a little hit because we have been in somewhat of a drought stress. Because it says here, use precautions, avoid applying when under stress or enters dormancy from heat or drought to prevent yellowing. It's still pretty green, and we got 2 more hot days today and tomorrow, but then 40 and 50% chance of rain all week. So I'm hoping with the rain, it'll help it out, help it stay green, kind of reduce that drought stress. All right, so let's rip these bags open and throw it down. I enjoy trying new products. I believe this is the first time I've seen this product. It may be a new product for this year. So put down in the comments, let me know, what kind of plant growth regulator do you use? Have you used this Slow Mow before? Have you had good results? If not, just let me know. Love to hear from you. I went and put on a glove so you guys can see what this looks like. It's like microscopic powder. I mean, it's so small. I don't know if you can see that. You see it just, it's like baby powder almost. You see that? Okay, I've got it thrown down. A little bit left in the hopper. We'll get this cleaned up. Threw down even coverage. I went down that way and then came back this way. Ended here. Also did probably about 1,000-foot strip on the backside over there instead of doing the ditch, because the ditch is fixing to be renovated. I'm gonna kill off all the hay in it, but got it thrown down. So I'll clean this up, and I will see you guys back in about 8 to 9 days after vacation and see how this product worked. One other quick note, it said to not water for 24 hours, or if you're expecting rain within 24 hours, do not put the product down. So I put the product down. We're definitely not expecting any rain. We have maybe a 10% afternoon thunder showers, which is typical in this area. So hasn't happened in close to 10 days, but I threw it down and it said to not walk on it and not water it in. So I'm letting it sit on the dew. I assume it is a foliar absorption, kind of like the T-neck spray. So just gonna let it work its magic and check back in 8 days. See you guys soon. Welcome back. It's been exactly 8.5 days since I put down the Slow Mow by BioAdvanced on my front yard here. As you can see, we're still in a drought stress. We got 3/4 of an inch rain during those 8 days while we were gone. And you look closely, you can see where I cut a stretch here. You can see the brown coming off, so I'm taking off the top. But based on the backyard, which I'll show you in a minute, it does look like it did slow the growth. So I'm gonna get down here and see if I can compare parts where I have cut and parts where I have not cut. Okay, see if you can see that slowly. Okay, I've cut this, and then up here I have not cut. It doesn't look like much. Probably, I'd say 1/2 inch. a quarter to a half inch. We did have a bad storm while I was gone that brought that 3/4 inch rain to the yard. There's a lot of debris on it, pine straw and all. But now we're going to take you to the backyard and let's do some comparison. Okay guys, here we are in the backyard. I did two passes here with the Allet reel mower, and we'll get down here and look. Don't pay attention to the weeds. They popped up to some spurge, but you see the growth a lot different, almost an inch. So it looks like the product worked really well. Look at that, inch growth, and it's really taking it off, really turning it brown. Since it did grow so much, I've taken a lot off from when I passed. So let's head back to the front yard. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something that I guess slow mo really did work. Worked on the front yard, kept it low, minimized the growth compared to the backyard, in which we saw almost double the growth. If you liked it, be sure and hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified next video release, and also hit the like button. Leave me a comment below. What plant growth regulator do you use? Look forward to hearing from you. You guys have a great day.